And there's breaking news coming in. The BJP's fact-finding panel on post-poll violence in Bengal will submit a report, and it has submitted a report to Bharatiya Janata Party's National President JP Nadda. And there are suggestions that have been made in this report, and those suggestions include one, localized deployment of the CAPF, securing BJP offices. That's another suggestion. Then they've also said that all commissions will visit and take cognizance in all cases and award compensation to those who are victims of the post-poll violence. They've also, in fact, given a suggestion of extending the tenure of the CAPF. They also say that High Court and Supreme Court should be approached to get appropriate relief where investigation has been taken up by central agencies. They're also talking about punitive action against bureaucrats who are acting as facilitators in blocking facilities for those who voted against the Trinamool Congress. Another suggestion made in this report is that financial assistance should be given to the families of those who are severely affected. And Pragya is joining us live. Pragya, a detailed report has been made by members of the Bharatiya Janata Party's fact-finding committee when it comes to the post-poll violence, something that initially was denied by the TMC dispensation. What's the latest?
Well, the report has been submitted by this four-member panel, and they had gone, in fact, to Kolkata and northern Kolkata as well, and other parts of the Bengal. They have gone to Sandesh Khali as well. Remember, BJP has always alleged that its workers and supporters have been harassed by the TMC and also by the administration in the state. And remember, when former Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, who is part of the panel, he went on record to say that West Bengal is the only state where post-poll violence is a concern, is a very big problem, and this is also, the panel has also gone and asked the victims of the family what actually they went through, and this is after the whole of the tour of theirs, and speaking with the victims, they came out with these suggestions that central armed police force is required in the state, and extension of the tenure is also required. And not just that, all the commissions, be it National OBC Commission or SC Commission, they should in fact go to the state and speak to the victims as the caste that comes under their purview. The victims are also in a significant number, and also they should be given compensation is another one of the suggestions. But more, very important suggestion is that there should be punitive action against the bureaucrats who are facilitators of the orders from the TMC and from the government, who are not allowing the sanitation to take place near the homes of those who have voted for BJP and voted against TMC, and also sanitation problem, blocking of roads, everything that they have been devoid of, despite being the right they have as a citizen of the country and of the state as well. So all of that fact-finding report has been made, and that has been given to BJP National President JP Nadda, who made this fact-finding committee, and this will obviously be shared with the government. The concerns are huge.